Hello, I'm Dr. Patty Ann Ford and welcome to my YouTube. I'm so excited that you're here. I am the owner of Imagine Wellness and I am a doctor, dietitian, and coach, and I help heal your relationship with food, body, and weight. So we're going to get right to it. I have 3 things that are going to kill your gut health, okay? 3 things that you possibly could be doing that are going to kill your gut health. So first, are you not pausing? So the word pause, if you're not pausing in the day, and that could be different for everybody. A pause could be stepping out of the room and closing your eyes. A pause could be sitting in front of a meal and saying thanks. It could look so many differently, but if you're not doing that, if you're running around with your head cut off like a chicken, and at the end of the day, you're like, I know I did so many different things and I was so busy, but I have nothing to show for it, I can guarantee you your nervous system is flipped. You have 2 types of systems that control your brain and your spinal cord, which connect to your heart and your gut. And if they're flipped, if you are fighting and flighting and fawning and freezing, you're not digesting. If you're running around all day without the ability to pause, I can guarantee you're probably not digesting very well. And it doesn't matter what you eat. All right, by not pausing, it's killing your gut health. 2, by not being present. I preach to my clients. Can you taste your food? Are you tasting your food? And it's not because I'm obsessed with flavors. It's because if you can taste your food, you are actually present for that millisecond that you tasted the food. You are creating new neural pathways in your brain to be in the moment. If you're not doing that, if you're like, I have no idea what my food tastes like, try it. It actually goes whoop, and it brings you super present in the moment. Not being present in conversation and you're waiting to speak instead of listening, you're not connecting with the person in front of you. You're not being present. And that is going to affect your gut health and your gut microbiome. 3rd, by not pushing air in and out of your body, by not having posture. If you are sitting like this and you're not breathing, you're not getting oxygen to your body. And actually, when you practice different frameworks for breath, you actually activate this vagus nerve, which calms the body down and gets it into a digestive state. By doing different breath work, and there's different ways you can do it, expanding the chest and breathing out of your mouth, just made my paper fly. There's different ways you can activate the vagus nerve to get in the digestive state. But at best, posture, breathing is going to help your digestion. It's going to make a difference. It's going to help whatever you eat digest better. And that takes practice because we're in a society where we're busy, we're not paying attention, and we don't have time to breathe. Those 3 things are killing your gut health. Stay tuned for part 2 on what you can do about it. Thank you. I'm Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and please subscribe and watch my YouTube for more value. Okay, bye.